episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. Before we get started, it's a quick reminder to all our viewers to go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. And now, without further ado, let's begin with the top headlines of the day.
Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli celebrate his 32nd birthday together. Riya Chakraborty and Sushant Singh Rajput sisters embroiled in bitter legal battle. Kajal Agarwal and Gautam Kichlu share moments from their first Karwa Chauth together. Jasmine Bhasin upset with Pavitra's attempts to be friendly with Ali Goni. Priyanka, Kareena, Kajol, Tara Sutaria celebrate Karwa Chauth. Anushka Sharma, who's all set to become a mother soon, is celebrating her soulmate Virat Kohli's birthday. The actor, who is in UAE, where Virat is playing a cricket tournament, will celebrate this special occasion with her husband and his teammates. Wishes are also pouring in for the charismatic cricketer from fans all around the world.
Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli married 3 years ago and they have been setting couple goals ever since. Anushka is currently on a sabbatical from acting to focus on her production house and spend some quality time with her husband, जो अक्सर cricket tours की वजह से travel करते हैं. Virushka, as their fans call them, finally got the opportunity to spend quality time with each other during the lockdown, and it was in August this year that the couple announced they were expecting their first baby together.
Virat and Anushka, who are one of India's power couples, met in 2013 and dated for a few years before marrying in a private ceremony in 2017. The two are often idealized by youngsters in India because while they are individually successful in their respective fields, they are also supportive of each other's careers and are always seen cheering each other on. Even before she took a break from acting, Anushka was often spotted cheering for Virat from the stands when he played in major cricket tournaments. Even at 7 months pregnant, she is regularly spotted in chic maternity dresses, smiling and supporting her husband's team and looking gorgeous with her pregnancy glow. Whether it was her simple white dress with puffed sleeves, a bright red outfit she wore when Virat was caught asking her if she had eaten, or the dark blue dress where she wore on another occasion, Anushka has kept her maternity style very elegant and comfortable. But while Virat may be busy with the matches, he makes sure to spend quality time with his wife, and the two were clicked enjoying a romantic dip in the ocean at sunset. He has also spoken about how excited he is for the arrival of their baby. वैसे ये आखिरी साल है जब विराट और अनुष्का अकेले उनका बर्थडे मनाएंगे. From next year, little Sharma Kohli will also join them as they celebrate every special occasion. लेकिन देखा जाए तो इस साल भी पूरा इंडिया और दुनिया के कोने-कोने में उनके फैंस विराट के साथ उनका बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. Millions of wishes have been pouring in for the Indian cricket captain on the occasion of his birthday. A hashtag Happy Birthday Virat has been trending on social media with many heartfelt messages being shared for the dynamic cricket captain. His fans have called him the king of cricket, run machine, and the chase as they share specially created photos, videos, throwback pictures, and more, and wish their favorite cricketer only the very best on his birthday. Happy birthday, Virat! We hope you have a great day and a fabulous day ahead. नेहा एंड रोहनप्रीत ने शादी के बाद अपनी पहली करवा चौथ सेलिब्रेट की. And the couple who has won the hearts of millions on social media with their cute chemistry and melodious voices shared an adorable video जहां ट्रेडिशनल कपड़ों में सजकर मियां बीवी चांद के इंतजार में गाना गा रहे हैं और एक दूसरे के साथ रोमांटिक मोमेंट्स शेयर कर रहे हैं।
Neha and Rohanpreet have captured the imagination of the entire nation with their pictures from the wedding, which is going viral almost every day. People can't seem to get enough of this cheerful couple, जिनका प्यार और पॉजिटिविटी सभी के दिलों को छू रही है। Now, from their wedding pictures to their wardrobe, post-wedding bonding with the family, Neha and Rohanpreet, or Nehopreet as people call them, are rapidly becoming one of the most popular couples in the entertainment industry.
After sharing multiple official pictures and videos from their wedding and some adorable behind-the-scenes moments that the couple managed to capture just by themselves, the newlyweds are now enjoying the perks of being a shadi-shuda couple. शादी के पहले साल में हर फेस्टिवल बहुत धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है because it's the first time the couple is celebrating it together. When it comes to a festival like Karwa Chauth, which is exclusively for married couples, it's bound to be doubly special for any newlywed couple. नेहा एंड रोहनप्रीत भी अपनी पहली करवा चौथ को लेके बहुत एक्साइटेड लग रहे थे और दोनों ने अपने म्यूजिकल अंदाज में एक छोटा सोशल मीडिया वीडियो शेयर किया जहां संगीत से उन्होंने अपनी खुशी बयां की। Neha, whose wedding outfits have become a rage on social media, was beautifully dressed in a bright red salwar kameez to celebrate her first Karwa Chauth as Mrs. Singh और उनके dearest hubby ने भी उनके आउटफिट के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट होता हुआ व्हाइट कुर्ता और रेड पगड़ी पहनी थी। नेहा ने अपने हाथों में अलता लगाया था और एक नई नवेली दुल्हन की तरह अपने हाथों में चूड़ा और मांग में सिंदूर भर के नेहा ने अपने फर्स्ट करवा चौथ लुक को कंप्लीट किया। While the ladies are always excited about celebrating Karwa Chauth, it looks like Rohanpreet भी कई सालों से इस फेस्टिवल को मनाना चाहते थे। Sharing the video on his social media page, रोहनप्रीत ने अपनी जिंदगी अपनी वाइफ नेहा के नाम एक स्पेशल मैसेज लिखा। इस वीडियो के लिए बहुत ज्यादा वेट किया। Have been seeing so many couple videos and now I feel so lucky that finally I can proudly post videos with my beautiful wife Neha Kakkar. I love you मेरी जिंदगी, शुक्र है। Neha also shared the video on her social media page and safe to say their chemistry and that sweet kiss on the forehead from Rohanpreet is going to make all their fans and followers very happy indeed. Happy Karwa Chauth, Nehopreet. We hope this is the first of many such celebrations. Newlyweds Kajal Agarwal and Gautam Kichlu have many reasons to feel happy and blessed. The couple celebrated their first Karwa Chauth together this year and also performed a puja to seek blessing for their new home before they moved in.
Kajal and Gautam Kichlu announced their wedding in the beginning of October, and after 10 years of knowing each other, the couple got married on the 30th of October in an elegant ceremony with just their immediate family and close friends attending the wedding. The couple, who decided to get married during the lockdown, had to take multiple precautions and keep their wedding a small and simple affair given the restrictions created by the lockdown. But they still managed to have all the traditional functions like mehendi, haldi, sangeet, and even a small post-wedding reception for their guests.
Kajal and Gautam have been sharing moments from their wedding week and the post-marriage celebrations on their social media pages, and we can't help but feel thrilled for them. After their wedding, which looks simply stunning in the photographs being shared, the couple continues to have reasons to celebrate. काजल और गौतम ने अपने नए घर में एक गृह प्रवेश की पूजा रखी थी before they move in and start life together as husband and wife. Gautam shared a picture of himself and his new wife dressed in color-coordinated blue outfits and basking in a newly married glow as they performed the rituals of the housewarming ceremony. Gautam captioned his post, "Celebrating new beginnings. So grateful for the blessings of the past week. My incredible wife and a new home." लेकिन नए रिश्ते के साथ कई नई रस्में और त्योहार भी हैं जो इस साल काजल और गौतम एक साथ सेलिब्रेट करेंगे। Less than a week after their wedding, the couple is celebrating their first Karwa Chauth together. Kajal's sister Nisha, who is also an actor, shared some adorable pictures from their simple Karwa Chauth celebrations at home. Nisha posted a picture of herself applying mehendi on Gautam's hand and then shared a picture with a group of hands which seems to include Kajal, Gautam, Nisha and some of their cousins. Kajal also shared a snap of herself on social media dressed in what seems to be a beautiful red sari with sequins and wearing a matching red festive mask as she gears up to wait for the moon and break her fast with her dearest husband. While Kajal is currently enjoying all the special moments of being a bride, she has shared in her statement announcing her wedding that she will continue to pursue her passion for acting. The actor is all set to share screen space with the southern superstar Chiranjeevi in the film Acharya, which fans are eagerly looking forward to. She also has a Tamil film, Hey Sinamika, in the pipeline, where her co-stars are Aditi Rao Hedri and Dulquer Salman. More power to you, Kajal. We wish you and Gautam a very happy married life and hope you guys only go from strength to strength together. As the battle between Rhea Chakraborty and Sushant Singh Rajput's family continues, Priyanka and Meetu Singh, Sushant's sisters, have issued a rejoinder to actor Rhea Chakraborty's reply to their petition to squash an FIR against them. प्रियंका और मीतू का कहना है कि उन पे लगाए गए इल्जाम बेबुनियाद हैं और रिया ने उनसे बदला लेने के लिए ये केस फाइल किया है।
Rhea was named as the main accused by Sushant's family, who alleged that Rhea cheated Sushant and even harassed him mentally and financially, abetting his demise. Rhea also spent a month in jail under the charges of obtaining and consuming banned substances with Sushant. Rhea, who left Sushant's home a week before his demise, has filed an FIR against Sushant's sisters, Priyanka and Meetu, after chats surfaced which implied that Priyanka possibly recommended certain medications to Sushant, who was allegedly battling multiple health conditions.
In her FIR, Rhea has accused Sushant's sisters of illegally obtaining medicines for Sushant using a forged prescription. According to Rhea, these medications should not have been given to Sushant without a doctor examining the actor and understanding his history of mental health concerns. Rhea's lawyer Satish Manishinde ने reportedly एक statement में कहा है that the chats between Priyanka and Sushant on 8th June this year, where she speaks of obtaining a prescription for him and suggests the names of medicines for specific mental health conditions, इस बात को prove करता है कि सुशांत की फैमिली ये जानती थी कि वो mental health issues के लिए treatment ले रहे थे. Mr. Manishinde has also accused Priyanka and Meetu of obtaining medicines in a wrongful manner for their brother, in spite of knowing his fragile condition. According to Mr. Manishinde, Sushant अपने demise से पहले 5 अलग doctors को consult कर रहे थे, who had recommended that he avoid consuming banned substances. रिया ने भी उन्हें रिक्वेस्ट किया था कि वो डॉक्टर्स की बात को माने, लेकिन जब उन्होंने इनकार कर दिया और रिया को घर छोड़ने के लिए कहा, she left as per the late actor's wishes. While Rhea has been aggressively pursuing the case against Sushant's sisters, Priyanka और मीतू ने अपने डिफेंस में कहा है that ये पूरा केस unfounded allegations, unsubstantiated facts, speculations and a misleading complaint पे based है. According to the two, Rhea ने ये FIR उनसे vengeance लेने के लिए फाइल किया है. and also alleged that she is harassing them with preposterous allegations because of a personal grudge. This case has taken a really bitter and unfortunate turn indeed, and the deep misunderstandings between Rhea and Sushant's family and their deep mistrust of each other has become very evident over the past 4 months. बॉलीवुड की ब्यूटीफुल लेडीज ने बड़ी धूमधाम से करवा चौथ सेलिब्रेट किया। तारा सुतारिया, काजोल, करीना कपूर खान और बिपाशा बासु ने सुहाग के रंगों में सजकर इस स्पेशल त्योहार को खुशी खुशी मनाया।
बड़ी मुद्दतों के बाद बॉलीवुड में खुशियों का, सेलिब्रेशंस का माहौल है। नवरात्रि और दशहरा के बाद आया त्योहार प्यार का, जब लेडीज अपने हस्बैंड और वुड बी हस्बैंड के लिए व्रत रखती है और दिन भर भूखी प्यासी रहने के बाद चांद को और अपने हस्बैंड को देखकर ही व्रत तोड़ती है। This year there were too many updates from celebrities who shared updates of their celebrations either alone or with their friends and family. Take a look.
बैंगल्स, ज्वेलरी, खूबसूरत ट्रेडिशनल कपड़े और मन्नतों से सजी पूजा की थाली लेकर बी टाउन की लेडीज ने करवा चौथ का व्रत और पूजा कंप्लीट किया। While this festival is usually celebrated by married women, कई soon to be married women और hope to be married women भी इस व्रत को रखकर एक अच्छे लाइफ पार्टनर की दुआ मांगती है। Maybe that's why we spotted the gorgeous Tara Sataria, who joined her beau Adar Jain at the Kapoor Karwa Chauth get-together. Tara looked lovely in a white salwar kameez and heavy earrings and was spotted posing with her entire Kapoor clan, who celebrated this festival together. There have been rumors कि तारा और आदर बहुत जल्द शादी करने वाले हैं, and seeing her join the Karwa Chauth celebration only fuels our shak about their शादी plans. Along with Tara, Neetu Kapoor and her daughter Ridhima, Kareena also attended the family get-together. But she joined her family at the celebration and opted for a comfortable short kurta and matching pants and ditched the makeup and jewelry to flaunt her natural pregnancy glow. Priyanka Chopra Jonas may be in LA, but Hindustani बीवी जहाँ भी रहे, हिंदुस्तानी ही रहती है. PC shared a stunning photograph of herself in a bright red sari and spaghetti strap gold blouse. The actor accessorized her desi look with her Mangal Sutra, sindoor and bangles, making sure to look her traditional best for the festival. The actor also shared another romantic picture with her husband Nick Jonas and wished all the ladies celebrating a happy Karwa Chauth. Kajol, who fasted for her actor-producer husband Ajay Devgan, looked stunning in a bright red sari, which she printed with a noodle strap blouse. The actor, who is known for her spontaneity, added a funny caption to her pictures to capture the real moods of women who fast all day. Calling it the Hunger Games series, Kajol added witty captions to her pictures and showcased her great acting skills as well. First, waiting for the moon with love and patience. Second, slowly losing it. Third, serial killer is happening. Fourth, अगर खाना नहीं मिला तो. Fifth, हे भगवान आसमान में नहीं तो फोन पे तो चांद दिखा दे. It's so great to see so many beautiful women celebrating together. We hope all of them had a blessed Karwa Chauth, and we also hope that आने वाला साल सबके लिए बहुत स्पेशल रहे.
Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while.
एली गोनी के एंट्री के साथ ड्रामा और झगड़े और भी इंटेंसिफाई हो गए हैं। A new quarrel broke out between Jasmine Bhasin and Pavitra Punia after Jasmine felt Pavitra उनके रूमर्ड बॉयफ्रेंड एली के साथ कुछ ज्यादा ही फ्रेंडली होने की कोशिश कर रही थी।
The reality show hosted by Salman Khan is known for a lot of jhagde, screaming and over-the-top melodrama. The show, which sees celebrities locked up in a house for several months with no connection to the outside world, has often been accused of scripting their fights and controversies between its contestants to create entertainment for audiences. But whether these fights are scripted or written in, audiences को ये तू में और celebrities के झगड़े देखकर काफी मजा आ रहा है।
Most recently, the show saw the entry of actor Ali Goni, जो existing contestant Jasmine Bhasin के best friend और rumored boyfriend है। Jasmine and Ali had an emotional reunion on the sets of the show, and the two BFFs couldn't hold back their tears as they saw each other after several weeks apart from each other. But looks like Ali का शो में होना अब Jasmine और Ali दोनों के लिए problematic और dramatic बन सकता है। In a recent episode, a few celebrities were seen competing for captaincy, and Ali Jasmine को captaincy जीतने के लिए advice देते हुए दिखाई दिए। While Rubina and husband Abhinav are already upset with Jasmine and suspect her intentions, अब लगता है पवित्र, Jasmine और Ali के बीच भी controversy brew होती दिखाई दे रही है। जैस्मिन एंड पवित्र दोनों ही कैप्टनसी चाहते थे और इस कंपटीशन के बाद पवित्र एली से इंटरकॉम पे बात कर रही थी। पवित्र ने एली से कहा कि अगर वो दोस्त है तो उन्हें एक दूसरे से कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस होनी चाहिए। लेकिन अपने BFF को पवित्र के साथ बात करते हुए देखकर जैस्मिन काफी जेलस होती हुई दिखाई दी। Jasmine asked Pavitra not to question Ali और उनकी इस बात ने पवित्र को अपसेट कर दिया। पवित्र retaliated by saying कि Jasmine की तरह वो भी Ali की दोस्त है। गुस्से में आकर पवित्र ने Jasmine से ये भी कहा, अपनी दोस्ती की possessiveness अपने पास रखो, वो मेरा भी दोस्त है। This led to a further argument between the two, with Pavitra saying कि उन्होंने Jasmine से ऐसा behavior expect नहीं किया था। Well, two's company, but three is a crowd clearly on this reality show. पवित्र, Jasmine और Ali का ये दोस्ती दुश्मनी का ट्रायंगल अब कौन सा एंगल लेगा, ये देखना इंटरेस्टिंग होगा।
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now, promising to be back tomorrow. But you guys can go check out our Zoom Facebook page for more updates on Bollywood. Until next time, it's goodbye.